Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Elementor templates or pages or sections anywhere in your website using shortcodes. And to do that we are simply going to come here to plugins and we are going to add a simple new plugin called Anywhere Elementor by simply clicking over here on add new plugin. Now right here we will search for Anywhere Elementor. Once the plugin shows up right here, you simply hit install and activate. I already have it activated and it will show up right up here, EA templates. So when we come over here and click on EA templates, then right here we are in position to add our global templates that we are going to use anywhere in our pages or sections using a shortcode. Now to do that, we can simply click over here, add new, and here we can create our templates. Let me say demo template, then I'll simply publish, and now in this template I will open with Elementor so that I design up my template the way I want it to appear like. So I'll come over here, come to templates library, and then I'll come over here, I'll pick up any template, so maybe this one from Elementor. I'll insert it into my canvas. Now I have my template right here and I can make a couple of changes. For example, I'm going to change the background here to maybe a gradient, something like that. I'm going to simply save. So now we have our demo template looking just like this. And we can use this same demo template anywhere on our website using a shortcode. And how are we in position to do that? I'm going to close this over. I'll also exit this to the dashboard. And right now I'm going to come over here to pages and I'll add a new page. And I'll name this page any name. For example, I'll name it web doc. I simply publish the page. Then I'll open this page with Elementor. Now once I have my page opened up with Elementor, let me set it to use the Elementor full width canvas. And now once I have my page here, the header is here and then the footer is right here. Now what I'm going to do is simply come over here to widgets. I'll search for my shortcode widget. I add it to the canvas area and now I have the possibility to add a shortcode to this page. So what I'm going to do is come back to my dashboard and go to Anywhere Elementor by coming over here to view all the templates that you created. The templates will show up right here and you simply copy that template that you want to use in that page, come over here to this page and then we insert our shortcode right there and apply changes. Now once we apply changes, boom, our template shows up right here. Now what you have to know is that from this section I can't make any changes. From this page where I used a shortcode to display the template, you can make global changes from one single place of your template and they reflect on all the other sections where you are using that template. Now this is what happens. I'm going to remove this section down here which has the visit us and the map. So I'll simply come over here to our template. So I'll open with Elementor. And remember that this is the template that I created using the Anywhere Elementor section or plugin. So once our template opens up right here, what I'm going to do is simply come over down here and I'll simply delete this section. When I delete the section and I update, now I'll just come over to my other page or template or section that I used a shortcode to display our template and I update this page. Then you realize that this below section will disappear and boom, our below section has disappeared. Now that is one of the beauties of using the Anywhere Elementor plugin. Now when you come over here to the plugins area and you come over here to Anywhere Elementor view details and you read under here the plugin description, they say it allows you to insert Elementor templates, library templates and global templates anywhere using shortcodes, and also we can create new global Elementor sections, change at one place and reflect everywhere we have used this. Now this is a shortcode sample, and now in the pro version of this plugin you can do a number of things like the global post layouts, the post archives and category, and a lot more. But in this case I found this way to display your templates globally anywhere on your website, and you can only edit in one place. Very powerful. In case you find this tutorial of value, please let me know down in the comment box below, and in case you like the video, please give it a like, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.